Did you wake up feeling stiff this morning? Well, I know that feeling because I lived with it for many years too. Your joints literally just run dry overnight. Your spinal disc lose fluids, your hip fluid thickens, and your connective tissue stiffens. But here's what really changed everything for me. A 15-minute morning yoga routine that helps fix those stiff hips and back before breakfast. I do this every single morning to keep those joints moving the way I used to. So I also fuel my body with Forever Vital, a 3-in-1 whey protein, collagen, and colostrum that really works. I'm gonna leave you guys the link right here and in the description below. And if you enjoy content like this, I'm gonna ask you to please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow and it helps me connect with more women and men over 40 who want to get stronger, more flexible, and more confident as we age. And if you're ready, let's begin. So today we're gonna start in butterfly, taking the feet together, rolling the shoulders back, lengthening the spine, dropping the knees to the side, and just start flapping those wings. Taking deep inhales through the nose and long and steady exhales through the nose. We're here for 3 breaths. We're gonna try to keep it short for the intention of this class, but if you want to stay here for longer, stay here for as long as you want. So I'm gonna face the front of the mat. Now we're gonna take our sleeping pigeon on the right side. So take your left leg back, keeping that left leg straight from the hip to the toes. Your right leg should be on a 90-degree parallel to the front of the mat. Hips are square. Both hips are pressed evenly towards the mat. Maybe you take the hands to the ground, pressing yourself up, rolling your shoulders back, lengthening the spine. And now start walking the hands forward. Melting the chest to the mat, maybe taking one hand on top of the other, and then resting the chin on top. Again, make sure that you're pressing both hips evenly towards the mat. How is that hip feeling? Now we're gonna come all the way up and we're gonna take the left leg on top. So we're gonna keep the right knee bent. Let me face this way so you can see it. We're gonna keep the right knee bent. We're gonna place the left leg on top. So now your left foot is on top of the right knee and your left knee is on top of the right foot. Flex your hips, that way you feel it more on the hips. If there is a gap between your knee and your foot, you can always place a pillow, a cushion, maybe a yoga block. You have the option to gently press down on the knee so there is a smaller gap. You can take your hands on top. You can take your left arm up, bend the elbow, right arm reaches back, interlacing the hands. And from here, you can stay or you can slowly start folding over the legs. We're gonna take one more breath in here. And then we're gonna come all the way up. We're gonna release the bind, beautiful. Now take your feet to the mat and now windshield the legs in and out. Beautiful job. Now we're coming into our sleeping pigeon on the left side. So we bring the left leg forward, right leg goes back, hips are square, left leg should be 90-degree, maybe parallel to the front of the mat. Maybe bring the foot closer to the groin if your hips are more tight. You can take the hands to the ground, taking the micro back bending here, lengthening the spine. Hips are present towards the mat. And now walk the hands forward and bring the chest close to the mat. Mindful breathing in here. Remember, your breath is always going to help you deepen the pose. Have the option to double your exhales if that's available. Remember, deep inhales and full exhales, always through the nose. So slowly come all the way up, and now we're gonna bring the right leg forward. So now your right leg is on top of the left leg. Remember, right knee over left foot, right foot over left knee. Taking the hands either on top of the leg or taking the right arm up, bend the elbow, lift arm reaches back, interlace the hands, roll the shoulders back, deep breath in, exhale, flow forward. Taking one last breath in here. Now come all the way up. Beautiful job. We take the feet back to the mat and just windshield the legs. Now we're gonna lay flat on the mat and we're gonna bring the knees to the chest. Giving yourself a hug, rocking side to side. So you can always hug the legs either by the chins or behind the legs. Now release the bind. We're coming into a figure four, so we take the right foot on top of the left leg. You can take your right hand to the right knee and then gently and slowly press on the right leg, so your leg is facing the right side. You can hug the left leg behind the leg, or you can take it again on top of the shins. You have the option to pump on the left leg. And with every exhale, you have the option to pull the left leg a little closer to the chest. So as you're pulling the left leg to the chest, you're opening the right hip a little bit more. Now we're gonna switch sides. So now we take the left leg on top of the right leg. Maybe you take the left hand to the left knee. Taking the hands, left hand goes under the left leg, right hand goes to the side behind the right leg. So we're grabbing the right hamstring, or you can take both hands to the right shin. Make sure that your shoulders are flat on the mat. Avoid rounding the spine. Maybe you pump on the right leg. And now we're gonna release. We're gonna take the arms by the side. And we're gonna drop both knees to the right side and look over the left shoulder. Keeping the left shoulder grounded on the mat for a spinal twist. So this is a class that you can practice daily, preferably in the morning as soon as you wake up. Now take both knees all the way up, and now take him to the left side, looking over the right shoulder and keeping the right shoulder grounded on the mat. For our last pose, we're gonna take the feet close to the glutes, taking the hands to the mat. Make sure that you can touch your heels with your fingers, keeping the inner thighs engaged. We're gonna press through the heels and we're gonna lift the hips all the way up. Engage your glutes. Keep hugging the inner thighs together. You can stay or you can take some hip pumps. And every time you go all the way up, make sure that you squeeze those glutes. Hold it in here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Bring the hips back to the mat. Give yourself one last hug. Round the spine, taking the forehead to the knees. Engage your core. And then release, coming into your final Savasana, arms by the side, feet mat width apart. Allowing yourself to relax in here, to let it go. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have any class requests. Remember, I'm here for you. I'm here to help you get stronger, more flexible, and confident after 40. And this is the next class that I suggest you take. It's going to help you if you have lower back pain caused by tight hips and tight hamstrings. And if you want to keep practicing with me anywhere at any time, here is my app, powered by AI, where you upload a picture of yourself either doing yoga or doing a pose, and AI will give you instant real-time feedback on your practice. I hope to see you in the next class. Have a beautiful and blessed day wherever you are.